Folks, I am Saurabh Das Adhikari and today we'll make Mutton Rogan Josh. This is a dish from Kashmir in northern India. It's part of Kashmiri Wazwan or Kashmiri feast during celebrations and weddings. The main thing about this recipe is it does not use onions, tomatoes and garlic in mutton curry, which is typical in a North Indian mutton curry. It uses, and the main flavor comes from roasted fennel seed powder, dry ginger powder and asafoetida. It's being said that this dish is authentic to Kashmir and didn't originate from Mughlai cuisine, which is typically the case for most of the North Indian mutton curries. So let's check out the recipe, starting with ingredients. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For ingredients, we have 1 cup of mustard oil. You can use more oil if you want to. About 6 Kashmiri red chilies soaked overnight in water. You can use 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili powder instead of this. About 1.5 cups of yogurt. Mutton, this is goat meat, about 900 grams or 2 pounds. Half teaspoon of asafoetida. 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a few strands of saffron, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of shah zira, or it is also called shahi or royal cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon bark, about 8 to 10 cloves, 2 black cardamoms and 6 green cardamoms, and we'll put salt to taste. So let's start by making a yogurt mix. So to make the yogurt mix, I am adding yogurt in a small bowl. I am adding the fennel powder, saffron and the dry ginger powder. And mixing this properly. It's ready. So now you see the red chilies are really plump and soaked with water. So what we'll do is we'll open up the red chili and take out the seeds. So see, there are so many seeds. I'll take those out and just save the skin. So I've taken the skin out of all chilies. Now we'll make a paste of this chili skin. I'll add a few tablespoons of water from this water in which the chilies were soaked overnight, and also save this water to use in the curry. So now the chili paste is ready. So let's start by cooking the mutton. So I have put a pan on high heat. Now see, the pan is smoking, that means it's hot enough. I'm adding the mustard oil. Mustard oil has started smoking. Now I'll add asafoetida, about half a teaspoon. I'm using my judgment to add it. Then I'm adding all the dry spices. And as soon as it becomes fragrant, now I'm adding the mutton. and searing on both sides. Now I'm adding some salt to help mutton release water. Mixing it well. So now I've lowered the heat. I'll cook this till the mutton starts to release water and then it reabsorbs the water. I'll show you what I mean in a few minutes. It will take about 10-15 minutes for this process. So now you see the mutton has browned a bit. That means it has released a lot of water. So it's time to add the yogurt mixture. So adding the yogurt mixture, and then I'll add the Kashmiri red chili paste. Yes, all of it. I'll add a few tablespoons of water from this water in which the chilies were soaked overnight. Now I'll mix this well. I'm covering it and letting it sit at low to medium heat for about 30 minutes. So now the mutton is almost ready. See, it has beautiful red color. So when mutton is ready, the meat would start leaving the bone. So now adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mixing this well. And now covering the pot and simmering it for 5 more minutes in low heat. Wow, this looks amazing. So today I told you a recipe from Kashmiri Wazwan. So this was the recipe for mutton Rogan Josh. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let me give 2 tips for this recipe. First tip is Kashmiri Lal Mirch or Kashmiri Red Chili. The primary purpose of this is to give this vibrant red color to the curry. So you can adjust the quantity based on your preference. Traditionally, Ratan Jot, an alkaloid or herb, is used to give this red color. And second tip is the cooking technique for mutton. I was cooking it in a pot in open gas for about 40-45 minutes. You can use a pressure cooker or Instapot to cook it in 10 to 15 minutes. So hopefully you find these tips helpful.